If you're a business owner, you're really going to appreciate this. I'll get right to the point, not waste your time, but I've shot 166 different restaurants in the last probably year and a half or so. And food photography, I love to do it. So when I reach out to these restaurants, I immediately look for the location and see what's going on with their website, their online presence. Over and over and over and over again, I see this. They're not optimized. The phone number's wrong. It's hard to get in touch with these people. You click on the website, watch what happens. You go to the website and it doesn't exist. 404, it's offline. There's nothing. It's not optimized. There's no way for me to place an order, get in touch with the owner, anything like this. So what do? Search around online for somewhere else. Maybe this site right here, just an organic search somewhere else on TripAdvisor or something like that. Finally find the restaurant that I'm looking for. Oh, look at this. There's no pictures of the food. Why would I order from that? I can't, what does it look like? What do I get? It's not optimized. There's nothing here that shows me what the food looks like, what my experience might be like. There's no reviews and no social proof, nothing. So I see this over and over and over again. And how do I know all these things are problems? Because our family acquired restaurant, this is what it used to look like. This is the original owner's website. Same problem. Can't order anything. It's not connected to Instagram, not connected to Twitter, Facebook, anything. Click on, try to order something. Well, guess what? Surprise, there's no pictures. There's no way to order anything. It's not appetizing or inviting. There's nothing that makes me want to buy food from this website here. Dead, plain and simple. And here's what we turned it into. Beautiful website. One click, you can order stuff online, see photos of the food, place orders instantly. Chatbot, email, subscribe, Instagram burned into the website. All the bells and whistles you would expect from a restaurant website. These companies are leaving huge amounts of money on the table by not fixing their website. This is their website right here. There's nothing. I don't know if it's just a broken link or what, but there's absolutely nothing here. Nobody can order anything. Look at this. Would you order from this website? If you're a customer, you'd bounce right away. So what does all that mean? It means that if you click the link in the description or somewhere around this video, you can watch this video on my page that shows you exactly how we did it and shows case study and proof of why it's working for our restaurant and how to fix those type of things in your restaurant, in your business. Below that, you're going to see the services that we offer to do these things. So you get a hint or like basically a cheat sheet of the things you need to do to fix these problems. And then below that, you can look at some testimonials or book a call right away for a free consultation to figure out what these problems are and start working together to fix these problems. And with every client, I map out a flow chart. And here's one example. This is not a restaurant, but this is another business. And take a look at their online presence. And if they're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, I've looked at their online presence and it's not optimized. That means when they get to this link right here, the link tree, all the people that would have gone to the website, now there's nothing because the links are broken, it's not optimized. So that means as far as a funnel system, cash flow, people that want to make a purchase because they saw something on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, it dies. It dies right here because it's not connected. It doesn't go to the website. It doesn't go to anywhere where people can sign up to an email list, order online, make a purchase, anything, because it's broken. It's not optimized. It's a simple fix. It does require some work, but it's a simple fix. And once you map these things out, you know what's going on and how to fix these things, it's easy. And if people want what you have to offer, you make it easy for them to get it. And we've done so, and I have metrics to prove it. Again, it's on this video right here that shows the sales report and the metrics and the data. Just watch this short video right here, and you'll probably feel compelled to give me a call and book a time to talk about what your problems are and how to fix them. So thanks again for watching this short video. I hope it's helpful. And sometimes the solutions are easy fixes. It's just that you're not aware of them. But now that you are, more likely than not, you want to take action to fix these problems, because if you're a business that has no business, then you have no business being in business. So click that link and book a call with me today. You've got nothing to lose except more customers.